Everyone, it's Melody Lane here, and we have a mystery box, but this is a digital mystery box. That means it is not shipped to you. You have it instantly. As soon as you purchase it, you can go into Design Space. You will have to look up each of these image sets and you will get them. The manufactured suggested retail price is $144. But you get it at the low price of $29.99. And if you have access, you will save $3 off of that because you get 10% off. So we have Alice in Wonderland Gone Mad, Peter Pan, Take Me to Neverland, Before the Bloom, and Tinkerbell Be Kind to Nature. All right, let's take a look at all of these images. Okay, we are in image sets, and I searched Alice in image sets, and his Disney Alice in Wonderland Gone Mad. There are 13 images. There are some great images in here, especially if you love Alice in Wonderland. All right, let's look at the next set. We have Tinkerbell. There are 12 images. Very pretty. And let's take a look at this one. So they are in layers. They are not print and cut. You can change the color of the outfits if you want. You can ungroup it. These are great for paper layering. You can also make it print and cut. Oh my gosh, they did this so awesome. You may think, oh my gosh, that's a lot of layers, but you don't have to put the little lips. Do you see what I'm saying? This goes over that. So you don't have tiny, tiny little pieces. They're all big pieces. Also, with this, you can see her eyes so well without putting tiny, tiny dots on there. See, look at that. Oh, that's her arms. But then we have her body here. They make this so easy. We have her wings, this. So we have layers on her wings. Now, if you don't like to do all these layers, you can do print and cut. All we have to do is I'm going to undo it all. You can see her all going back. And you can select it all and flatten. And then you can do a print and cut. All right, let's see what else is in this box. All right, we have Disney Before the Bloom, 23 images. Look at how cute. Little Scamp, Dumbo, Bambi. How cute are these? Those are so too cute. And the next set is Disney Peter Pan Take Me to Neverland. 24 images. These are fun images. Love that palm tree. So cute. And these are also images that you can change the color of. And you can ungroup. And you can flatten to do print and cut. Whoops, I hit the wrong button. See, now it's print and cut. All right, now once you purchase the mystery box, you have it immediately. Go to Design Space. If you don't see them, you can sign out and sign back into your account. You just click here, sign out, and then sign back in. And once you have it, you go to Images right here, and then go to Image Sets. If you have this come up, click up here where it says Category. Click on All Images, and then go down under Highlighted Categories, click on Image Sets. And then an easy way to find them is to search Disney. You will have to scroll to the different ones if you have other Disney image sets. You can just click one of the words in the title of the image set. So here I have Alice. I can search Peter. Can search before. This is before the bloom, so it would be this one here. And Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, here it is. So those are the 4 images included. Because this is Disney, it is only available in the United States, not in Canada, not anywhere else in the world but the United States. I'm so sorry to everybody who will not be able to get these. These images will not be in Cricut Access ever. They are licensed through Disney. These images will not be available to purchase separately for 30 to 90 days. I'm not sure exactly, but they're not available separately. It is the cheapest to purchase the mystery box to get them all. They will be leaving Design Space when the license is over for these image sets. They do not last forever in Design Space unless you purchase them. So if you purchase this mystery box, they are yours forever to use forever. If you buy them later after the mystery box is not available, if you buy just one set, it will be yours forever. But you're going to be paying more than the mystery box price. This mystery box will only be available for 2 weeks. So you don't have to rush to purchase it now, but you don't have a lot of time to wait. They will not be out of stock and will be available for 2 weeks. Give me a comment below if you like this box, or if you don't like this box, tell us what you want to see. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click the link in the description below. It does give me a small commission at no extra cost to you. I appreciate your likes, and when you subscribe to my channel, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.